You are welcome. Let's continue our discussion about 2003 Jamb, 2023 Jamb. So the question is, a coin is thrown 3 times. What is the probability that at least one head is obtained? A, 7/8. B, 3/8. C, none of the above. D, 1/8. So what you have here is a coin. This is question number 21. It's a coin that is thrown 3 times. So what's the probability that at least one head is obtained? So what you have here is, look at this, you have head or tail. So that's one. For 3 times, you will have it like this: head or tail, head or tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. So this is what you have. So when you throw it, if it is 2 times, 3 times, if it is 4 times, so you can do another one with it. So you have this one like this. So now ask you, so what is the possible outcome now? Here you have head, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, 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 tail. Here you will have head, tail, head, head, tail, head, and head, tail, tail. So for this last, so you come here, you have head, tail, head, head. So you have this tail, head, tail. So you have this tail, tail, head. Then you have tail, tail, tail. So that is it. Yeah. So what's probability that at least one head, you will obtain one head? At least you can obtain one head, 2 head, 3 head. So that's it. So since it's at least one, only that you can't obtain none. So is you can have the answer like this. So that's at least one head. So if you count the total here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will have 8. How many of them there? So at least one A will be 7/8. So that's your answer, which is A. You can do it in another way. The probability that at least one head is no tail. That's 1 minus no tail. Probability of 1 minus all the outcome, they are tail, tail, tail in from the tail. So you will have it, which is 1/8. So you will still have it as 7/8. So that's it. Look at this one. 2. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 2,3 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y equal to 0. So what you have here, the options are A, 3y equal to 5x minus 2, B, y equal to 5 over 3x minus 2, C, none of these, D, 3y equal to 2x plus 5. So here you have find the equation of a straight line passing through this and perpendicular to this. So you have perpendicular and then you have parallel. So in perpendicular, you simply have the gradient 1 equal gradient 1, gradient 2 equal to minus 1, or you can express it like this: m1 equal to 1 over m2. So that's gradient. This is perpendicular. If it is parallel, m1 will equal to m2. So if they say they are parallel to each other, so it will be like this. Now find the equation of a straight line passing through this. So you have to obtain the first gradient from here. So you write this equation out. Here you have 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to. So you express y in terms of x. That is, you can express this one in standard equation. So you will have 2y equal to minus 3x minus 4. So if you divide through by 2, y will be equal to minus 3 over 2x. This cancel this, minus 2. So you have that. Now, the standard equation is this: ms plus c. So m here is this. So you can have this one as m1, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. So minus 3 over 2. So you have m1 like this. So you can replace this one with m1 here. So minus 3 over 2 m2 equal to minus 1. So this minus can cancel this minus. Then you can cross multiply also. 3m2 equal to 2. So you have it like that. Now, what is m2? You have this into bracket y minus y1 over x minus x1, which is equal to 2. Here you will have 3 into 1. What is y minus 1? Y1. So here you have x1 and then y1. So you have 3 into x minus 2 equal to 2. So that is it. So open bracket for this one, you have 3y minus 9 over x minus 2 equal to 2. Then here you cross multiply. You have 3y minus 9 equal to, here you have 2 into bracket this, 3y minus 9 equal to 2x minus 4. So take this one to the other side. 3y equal to 2x minus 4 plus 9. 3y equal to 2x plus 5. So that is it. So you can look for the answer there. This is it. D is the answer. So your answer is D. So here you have You have to that's question number 23. Differentiate the function equal cube of x into bracket x minus squared. Though the meaning differentiate as plus. You have to find the derivative with respect to x. So what you are going to do first here is to change this one to index. So using what we call it using the indices law of indices. So you will have this one as a raised to power x over y. So you are going to simply write this one like that. So you can have y to be equal to x raised to power 2 over 3. So into bracket 2x minus x squared. First, you can simply open the bracket. Now open bracket here, 2 raised to power 3 times 2x minus x squared times x squared. So this is what you have. So this is x raised to power 1. If you have only x, it's the same thing as x raised to power 1. So using the law of indices, x raised to power a times x raised to power b will give you x raised to power a plus b. So that's law of indices. So you apply it here for both. So what you have here is x raised to power 2 over 3 plus 1. Here you have 2 first, 2 times this, you have this, minus. For this one, you will have 2 raised to power 3 plus 2. So over 1. So for this one, 1 plus 2 over 3, that's 5 over 3. 5 over 3. Then this one, 2 plus 2 over 3. So what you have is 8 over 3. So you can do it. 2, 3 in 8. That is 2. So it will remain 2 over 3. So that is it. Then you can now differentiate. So the y, the x equal to what do you have here? We have 2 times 5 over 3 x raised to power 5 over 3 minus 1 minus x raised to power 8 is minus 1. So here you have 8 over 3 minus 1. So what you have here is 10 raised to power what? 5 minus 1. So here you have this, the same, here you had 1. So what you are going to have back here, you had 1 here, you are going to have 2 over 3 back. Minus, this one you have 8. So what do you have now? The SCM is 3, 8 minus 3. So 5 over 3. So here we give you 8 over 3 x raised to power 5 over 3. So having this, once you have this, so you can like this one here is 10 over 3 this part this and then. So I think that's the answer. So let's check the option you are given here. The options are they are much. A is 10. A is 10x 5 over 3 divided by 3 minus 8 x 2 over 3 divided by 3. So I think, okay, that's not the answer. B, 10 raised to power x 2 over 3 divided by 3 minus 8 x raised to power 5 over 3 divided by 3. Okay, this one is 5 divided by 3. Okay, I think B is the answer. So there's no point of writing the rest. So so that's it. The answer is what? That's B. All right. Here you have, say calculate. This question number 24. Calculate the mean deviation of the first 5 prime numbers. A 2.72, B 5.6, C 5.25, D 13.6. Now look, what are the prime number? First prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So you have to find the mean deviation. So you have it like this. So you have this one as your class mark: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So then you find the mean. The mean. This plus this is 10 plus this has this plus this plus this has 10. Why this plus is 18? You have 28. The total, the summation of S is 28 divided by n. This is x. This is mean. Mean equal to this divided by n. 20 divided by what? How many? 5. So your answer is going to be 5 in 28 is 5. Remainder 3. So 6. That's remainder 3. 3 is 30. So that's 6. So here we have the deviation here. Class mark minus mean. So 2 minus this. So what are you going to have? You will have minus 3.6. Here is 3 minus that. You have minus 2.6. Why this one you will have minus 0.6. 5 minus this. So 7 minus this, you will have 1.4. 11 minus this. 11. 5. That's 5.4. That's 5.4. 11 minus 5.4. Yes, okay, this one is okay, 5.6. 11 minus 5.6, so that's 5.4. Therefore, you come here and do the absolute value. So you take the absolute value of this is 3.6, 2.6, 0.6, 1.4, 5.6, 5.4. So that is it. Then what is the sum of this? You add this together. So let's have it. Here you have 3.6 plus 2.6 plus 0.6 plus 1.6 plus 5.4. So you will have 13.6. So the mean deviation now is sum of this minus x over n, which is equal to 13.6 divided by 5. So if you divide this one by 5 divided by 5, your answer is 2.72. So the answer there is A. So A is your answer. All right. Now, look at this one. Determine the area of the region bounded by y equal to 2x squared plus 10 and y equal to 4x plus 16. Now, this is application of calculus, integral calculus, application of integral calculus. This question number 25 will stop here. So you have to determine the area of the region bounded by these two. So what are you going to do? Find the coordinates of x and y. So you find the coordinate of the graph. Now the coordinate y equal to y. So you have 2x squared plus 10 equal to 4x plus 16. Here you will have 2x squared minus 4x. Bringing this one here, plus 10 minus 16 equal to 0. So what you have here is 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. Divide through by 2. You will have 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So you want to factorize two numbers that if you add them together, you get minus 2. If you multiply them together, you get minus 3. So they are what? Minus 3 and 1. So here you have x squared minus 3x plus x. That's the 1. So minus 3 equal to 0. So here you will have x squared minus 3x into brackets. So you will have x minus 3 into brackets equal to 0. So factorize. What is common here? You have x into bracket x minus 3. What is common is 1 into bracket x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, look, what is common again? You will have x minus 3, x plus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 3 or x equal to minus 1. So the coordinate is this. So at this place, when x equal to 3, what will be the value of y? Y equal to, here is, put 3 here, 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Here you have, at this point, here if when x is this one is going to be 9 times, that's 38. Again, when x is this, minus 1. So what will be the value of y? What will be the value of y? Here you have minus 1. So minus 1 square is 1. Times 2 is 2. That's 12. Y equal to 12. Again, when x equal to 3 for this one, so y will equal to 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 16. So that will be 28. Then when x equal to minus 1, y will be what? 4 times minus 1, that's minus 4. So plus 16, that will be 12. So that is it. Now, sketch the curve. Here you have the following coordinates. X, you have 3, 38. You have minus 1, 12 for this one. Then for this you have x 3, y 28. You have x minus 1, okay, 3, 28. Here you will have minus 1, 12. So that is what we have. So what we have now is we now sketch the graph. Mm. For this one, for this one, the coordinates. Here you have uh, for x. This is x, 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 x. So the highest number there is what? 3. While for this one, so here you have 10, 20, 30, 40, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can sketch it now. Look, for the first one, when x is 3, y will be 38. So when x is minus 1, when x is minus 1, this one will be 12. So it means, so at this particular point, you can know the coordinate of where this one will pass. So if you have y equal to 2x squared plus 10. So when x is 0, y will be 10. So at this particular point, you want to look at where it's going to pass here. When x is at the origin, what will be the value? It's going to be like this. It's going to be here. So the curve here will go like this. So that's it. Then for this one, when x is 3, this one is 28. This is 28 here. When this one is minus 1, this one is 12 here. So at the origin, when x is 0, this one will be 16, y will be 16. So here, at this particular point, at minus 1, you have at minus 1, this one is 12. So this is 10. You have this one as 12. So here is 16. So what you have here is this. You have something like this. So you want to find the area under this place. So you see that what you have here is that the linear equations is above the quadratic equations. So since they are what at this particular point at x, the upper and the lower, you have them like this. That's 3 to minus 1. So the higher the upper, this upper one minus the lower. So the upper is this 4x plus 16 into bracket minus 2x squared plus 10 into bracket. So we are through with the graph. That's what we want to determine there. We want to determine which one will be up. So this is what we are for this. You have integral of 3 minus 1 into 4x minus 16 plus 16 minus 2x squared minus 10 dx. So here you will have dx. So you have integral of this 1 into 4x minus 2x squared. 16 minus this, that's plus 6 dx. So you integrate. If you integrate this one, you will have 4x squared. This is 1 plus 1. So 2. Then divided by 2, you have it like this. Minus 2x squared plus 1. That will be 3. Divided by 3. Plus 6x. So you have it like this. 3 to minus 1. Then you substitute into 8. This can cancel this. Then what do you have there? 2 times, what is it? 3 raised to power 2 minus 2 times 3, 3. You have it like that. Plus 6 times 3 into brackets. Minus. So this minus 1, 2 again. 2 times minus 1 squared. Then minus, here you have 2 times minus 1 raised to power 3 over 3. Then plus 6 times minus 1. So you transfer this one here. This one is 9 times, that's 18. Minus, look, this one will go here, will remain 9. 9 times 2, that's 18. Minus, this one will cancel this. You have 3 square. That's 3 square is 18 times this. 3 square is 9 times 2. 18 also. 3 times 6 is equally 18. Minus 1 squared is 1 times this. So you have this one as 2. So here, odd number raised to power, negative number raised to power odd number, you have this one as well, minus 1 there. So minus 1 times minus 2. So that will give you plus 2. That's plus 2 divided by 3. Then this is 6 times minus 1. This one will give you minus 6. Then this one will give you 18 minus 18 is 0. So you have 18 minus 2 minus this, you will have 2 over 3 minus 4. So for this, you have 18 minus LCM is 3. 3 in 3 times 2, you have 2. 1 in 3 times this, so you have 12. So here you have 18 minus this from this, you have minus 10. You have minus 10 over 3. Minus 10 over 3. So here we give you 18 minus times minus is plus 10 over 3. So the LCM is this. 3 this one 3 in 1 is 3 multiplied by 18. That's 54. 3 in 3, yes, plus that's 10. So this one will be what? 64 divided by 3, or 3 in 6, 2. 3 in 4, 1. 1 over 3. So that's its unit. Now let's check the options there. So the options there are: A is 18, B is minus 10 over 3, C is 44 over 3, and D is 64 over 3. So our answer there is this, 64 over 3. So that's the answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and equally tell your friend. So when next we release another video, you'll be notified. Thanks.